Hi everyone, today I'm going to unbox the COROX nylon strap. This was the gift box when I purchased my Apex Pro. So inside the big gift box, actually inside there's a three things. One is the COROX pod, okay, one is the nylon band which we are going to open today, and the other is the charging cable, which kind of like we don't really need it because the battery life is amazing. Okay, let's take away the box. We don't need to open the COROX pod because I already done so. Okay, I've been using it for months and it's okay. So today I'm going to open this box. I'm going to use it. Okay, there's nothing wrong with my band. You can see it's pretty steady and stable. I don't really need the extra knot. I always jump over it because it takes time to go through the two secure strap, and one is really secure for me. So today I'm going to try out the nylon band. You can see the box is quite nicely designed with a kind of security. You have to open it from here, I think. Oh, this is very satisfying. Not really nice. Never mind. Okay, got it. It's kind of very lightweight. I don't know what's inside. This is my first time to open the box. Let's see. Oh, I got a green one. Just that's my green one. Okay. So it's pretty nicely designed boxes. And is there anything else in this? No, nothing. Right. Okay, this is the straps, which kind of like not sure how it works. You have to like take out the stickers. I think so. Okay, so we got the band. I don't really know how to use it. Oh, okay, should be like that. So you can stick. It's kind of, I'm sorry, it's kind of sticky. Okay, so these are the place where we put on the watch. So adjustable. Okay, right, let's try out. Kind of like a quick release button here. It's quite easy to take out the old nylon band. No, the silicone band. Right. Okay. So I'm wearing it like this. So it should be like this, I think. Okay. Just put in the clip. It's not as easy as I think. Okay, right. So the other way. Okay. Yep. Got it. So got the new straps. So I have to. Okay, this is easier. So I can just pull this. Okay, forgive me. I'm not really get used of this. Okay, so you can nicely wrap around your wrist at any desired stand. Got it. Okay, it fits very well, so you will not like slipping up and down just like the old straps, and it's really nice. So from the description, it helps to make the heart rate sensor more accurate, as he can see there's There's no gap at all between the strap and your hand. Okay, let's try out. Good. Thank you for watching.